Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a double-story freehold ENDLOT unit at Tmn Putra Prima, Puchong. It's fully Reno and extended, has spacious house front for parking and gated garden. You can park 2 cars at the car porch. It's fully renovated and side land is already covered. Here's the living area. It has 3 parts of it, so you can fully utilize it to use it as your kids' play area, or you can partition it to another room. Here's a dry kitchen, common toilet, and extended wet kitchen area and dining. Now let's go to first floor. Here's the living area, family area at first floor, attached with balcony, master bedroom and suite bathroom, owner has extended another shower room for the jacuzzi, linked to the balcony. This L-shaped balcony is very spacious. It overseeing the edge of the garden, the taman. Another side, you have 2 bedrooms. This is the second bedroom with adjoining toilet with 3rd bedroom. The layout is very straightforward, suitable for a small family. For viewing or listing, please give me a call. See you in next video. Bye.